Here's a quick overview on slow cooker safety. Slow cookers are self-heating crocks that can help to cook food slowly all day with little effort. They can help to tenderize less expensive cuts of meat and are great for stews, soups, and one-pot meals. Slow cookers are safe if used correctly. Heat from the pot, long hours at high temperature, and steam from the liquid in the pot help to kill bacteria. When cooking meat or poultry, the liquid in the pot should cover the ingredients so that the heat is evenly distributed throughout the pot. Check the manufacturer's directions to see how much they recommend filling the pot, anywhere from 1/2 to 3/4 full. Here are a few safety tips for using a slow cooker. Always start with a ceramic pot and lid that have been cleaned and sanitized. Meat must be thawed before placing in the slow cooker. If it isn't, the meat will spend too much time in the temperature danger zone of 40 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit while it thaws. At this temperature, bacteria grows quickly and can result in foodborne illnesses. Help vegetables cook evenly by placing them on the bottom or sides of the slow cooker. When cooking meat and poultry, preheat the slow cooker and cook on the high setting for the first hour. This will reduce the amount of time food spends in the danger zone. Adding liquids when they are already hot will also help warm the slow cooker. The warm setting should never be used to cook foods. It is intended to keep hot food hot after it has been cooked. The lid should not be removed unless needed. Every time it is removed, the temperature of the pot drops by 10 to 15 degrees Fahrenheit and slows the cooking time for 30 minutes. Ensure foods have reached a safe internal temperature prior to eating using a meat thermometer. Do not use the slow cooker to cool foods. When finished cooking, eat immediately or put into shallow containers and refrigerate. Do not use a slow cooker to reheat leftovers, as they will not reach the safe internal temperature and will spend a long time in the danger zone. Beans should not be cooked in a slow cooker from their raw, dried state. Beans contain the protein lectin that can be toxic at high levels and make you sick. Slow cookers do not maintain a high temperature long enough to destroy the toxin in dry beans. Properly soaking and boiling beans for a long enough time will keep them safe. Dried beans that have been pre-soaked and cooked can be added to slow cooker dishes. Canned beans are pre-cooked and safe to add to slow cooker dishes. Happy and safe slow cooking.